The class list tool is designed to help therapists organize pre-referral grasping, pre-writing, and handwriting strategies for multiple students at once. To begin, tap the Class List tool button from the main menu. This will open a landing page with information about the tool along with a visual quick start guide. Tap Start to begin. Type your class name into the text field, then tap Add Class List. You'll see the class list title card appear below. Tap the class list to open it. The Roster Tools page will then appear. From here, you can choose to import a class list from a CSV or Excel file saved to your device, or scan a printed class list using your device camera. To import a class list, tap Import Class List. Select the class list file from your device. A card with a list of students will appear below. To help protect student privacy, the class list tool displays each student using only the first two letters of their first name and the first letter of their last name. To scan a class list, tap Scan Class List. Your device camera will open. Position the paper class list inside the viewer. You can either tap to capture the image manually or hold the camera still and allow the app to automatically scan and capture the image. For best OCR accuracy, crop out any unnecessary text and include only the first and last name columns from the class list. After scanning, a review page will appear so you can check that the app has correctly recognized and organized the names. If everything looks correct, tap Import. If there are any inaccuracies, simply rescan and recrop the class list or import a roster from a CSV or Excel file instead. Once your class list is loaded, scroll through the list and tap the students you would like to trial pre-referral strategies with. When a student is selected, a Select Target Skill button will appear. Tap this button to reveal a list of targeted skills related to visual motor, grasp, and handwriting strategies. Select the skills you would like to target with pre-referral strategies. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page where a student plan card will appear. For each selected skill, tap to reveal a list of pre-referral strategies. Choose the strategies you would like to trial, then tap the back button. Repeat this process for each skill you selected. When you are finished with that student, tap the back button to return to the class list. Repeat this process for each student you would like to create a trial strategy plan for. When you are finished, tap the Export Selected Students PDF button at the bottom of the class list. The student strategy plans can then be shared directly with your teachers through printing, email, AirDrop, or other apps used by your school district, such as Microsoft Teams. On the shared document, you'll see a separate card created for each student. Each card includes a student's target skill list, the selected strategies to trial, and a simple data tracking form. Teachers can use the form to mark whether the strategies were effective or not effective. This information can help support continued use of successful strategies, guide adjustments when strategies are not effective, and inform the team decisions about possible next steps, including whether a more comprehensive assessment may be needed. The Class List tool is intended to make it easier to organize, share, and monitor pre-referral, visual motor, grasping, and handwriting supports across multiple students, while keeping the process practical for therapists and classroom teams.